Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty Crafty. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful pearls made with the hot glue gun. Yes, with the hot glue gun. See how beautiful and unique this pearl looks, which are not available in the market. So you can make it your own pearls for your craft. For that we'll need a hot glue gun and this nail paints of the nail paint, or you can use acrylic colors also for this, but I prefer the nail paint because it is easily available at home. So let's start. For that we'll need a steel plate and hot glue gun. So first take this steel plate and the hot glue gun, just make it raw and swirl it in this manner so that the strings doesn't come in. You can make any size of pearl you want. Just swirl it this way. Initially it will be difficult, but gradually with the practice it comes out very nice. See this way. Small, big, any size of drop you can make. You can take a candy stick and with the help of that you can just clean your nozzle. See, here I am making a big pearl. Depending on your requirement and the size you want. So let this dry now. See, now this glue is dry, so we can apply nail paint on it. Or you can apply acrylic paint also, but I'm here using it nail paint. Just apply this nail paint in this manner. You can apply 2 coats also, single coats, depend on the color, whatever you need it. So see, this is silver color, glitter one I'm using here. See, this one will shine. See, I have added this pearl in when the glue was hot, so you can add any sequence and create your unique bead. See, the nail polish is dry now and it easily comes out from the steel plate. Rather than using parachment paper or any kind of paper that are shown in other videos, this steel plate is easily available at home. So please try it, and if you are able to recreate it, this beads, then please comment me in the box and see how beautiful and unique these bits come out if you paint it as you want, which color you want, and it is easily and very inexpensive bead. So I hope you like this video. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.